Welcome. In front of me is a KODAK K12, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So, to get started, I'm going to first need to turn off our device by holding the power button, and from the options here, select power off and confirm it. Now the device will turn off, and when it does, you want to hold all the buttons, so volume up, down, and the power button. So just to show this, if the camera could focus, that would be freaking fantastic. But come on, focus! Oh, for God's sakes, hello camera. There you go. Okay, so you can now see clearly. I'm pressing all buttons. Now when you see the KODAK logo, let go of just the power button, which is this one right here. Come on. There we go. So there's the logo. And you can see this takes us to the recovery. For goodness sake, that camera. So this takes us to the recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons to navigate up and down, you want to select wipe cache partition, which is right here. So I'm going to start pressing volume down. There we go. You can see it's now selected, and we're going to confirm it with the power button and select yes. And we're done. As you can see, cache wipe complete. Reboot system now is selected by default, so press power button once more to get back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.